नमस्कार, हा विष्णू नार्वेकर आणि तुम्ही पळयतात माय गोवा नेटवर्क. गोंयाक खूप मोठो इतिहास असा. आयचे गोंय आणि आदले गोंयान कितलो बदल आशिल्लो हे घडये आमच्या परस आमच्या जाणटेल्यांक हाची चड जाण असा. गोंयची देवळां, किल्ले आणि हेर इतिहासीक वाठार पळोवपाक आणि स्वता आदले इतिहासीक गोंय कशें आसतले हे अणभवपाक जायते पर्यटक गोंयाक भेट दितात. गोंयची कांय पोरण्यो यादी आयच्या पिळगे मेरेन वा विद्यार्थी मेरेन पावच्यो, विद्यार्थ्यांनी आदलो काळ आणि आताचो काळाचो फरक आणि जाणटेल्यांनी राखून दवरिल्लो इतिहास पळोवचो ह्या खातीर रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पणजी रिवेरा ह्या क्लबान दिवचलच्या नारायण जाटये महाविद्यालयाच्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर गोवास हेरिटेज एक्सप्लोर्स हो उपक्रम घडोवन हाडलो. हाच्या अंतर्गत विद्यार्थी पणजी आशिल्ल्या फॉन्टिनेस हांगा भोंवडी करून हो जागो कितलो पोरणो आणि इतिहासीक आसा हाची म्हायती दिली. चलात तर पळोवया गोवास हेरिटेज एक्सप्लोर्स, अ हेरिटेज वॉक सिरीज फॉर स्टुडंट्स.
So these heritage walks what have been conducted, many students still and youngsters still do not know the actual essence and the history of Goa. And through these walks we can actually tell today's children and today's students what the actual Goa was, where they are living in, the history, the heritage, all the values of Goa.
आणि आम्ही कितें केलां, आतां आमी बिचोलीचे कॉलेज जाटे कॉलेजचे भुरग्यांक हांगा हाडल्या. So they must have come to Panjim as a for outing, but they don't know the actual intricacies of the older Panjim. So हांगासरले भुरगे आमी त्या वाटेन व्हरतले वाळपय सायडीन. So that way सगळ्यांक ऑल ओवर गोवा तांकां नॉलेज शेअर जातली.
Hello, I am Rotarian Tanvi Sawant and I am the 21st President of Rotary Club of Panji Riviera. Our club over the past many years have been doing a lot of activities for the youth, and today's Heritage Walk is a part of the youth service initiative of our club. I think it's very important for today's youth to know about the heritage of Goa because they are the ones who are going to preserve this and take it forward. It's a great initiative and I'm really thankful to our Anne Urvija Bhatkule, who is the project champion and has helped us create this program. So yes, thanks a lot. Urvija, you would like to say something?
Say that we are going to have these 5 walks,
Yeah.
every month.
We will stagger it throughout the year, and these walks are going to be for Rotaractors, Interactors, and other schools where we have children from underprivileged background. And the walks will be in Panji, in the north of Goa, in Morji, in Walpoi, various locations. So 5 walks have been curated for 5 different schools, and each school will have 20 children who are interested in the heritage of our state.
ती आमच्या भुरग्यांक आयच्या पिढयेक आमच्या जाणटेल्यांनी कशे त्रास काडून ही पणजी सिटी सुंदर दवरल्या हे दाखोवंक आमचे रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पणजी रिविएरा ही सगळ्यांक एकठांय हाडून स्पेशली फॉर द अंडर प्रिविलेज भुरग्यांक एकठांय हाडून तांकां पयलींची सगळी हिस्ट्री सांगता आनी दिस इज डन बाय हेता पंडीत अँड जॅक सुकीजा.
Myself Gautam Prabhu Boriskar. I am the president of Narayan Jati Rotary Club. Our sponsoring club is Rotary Club of Panjim Rivera. We have come here with our resource person. It's quite a good moment. We are getting some memories and we are flourishing some Goan old memories. So we are enjoying the moment. Thank you.
We are here on a very special walk today where we are taking children from Bicholim on a walk in the South Tome and Fountainish area. These kids have probably never been to this neighborhood. For them it's an eye-opener and we are also on a learning curve with them.
So basically Heritage Walks was started as a concept to get people to know about the history of Goa and the local history. And today with Rotary Club of Riviera, Hita Pandit and myself, Jack Sukija, have organized this walk for students or Rotaract people from Rotaract members from Narayan Jante College in Bicholi, to give them a bit of an idea of the 4th capital of Goa, which is Panji. So this walk will start from what is called Largo de Tobacco or Tobacco Square and go up to the heart of Fontainesh, which was the first residential hub of Panjim, which developed when the capital moved here to around 22nd in November 1843.